Hi viewers. Okay, is it visible? Is it visible? Is it audible? Yes or no? Type in the chat box. Is it visible? Yes. Okay. Now see. Correct. See how we are discussing kinematics. We are discussing kinematics. So already we discussed rest. Already we discussed about rest. Then we discussed motion. Then we discussed rest and motion. Rest and motion are relative. Rest and motion are relative. Okay. Next, we discussed distance. Distance is nothing but length of actual path. Length of actual path. Length of path. So next one more we discussed displacement. This is shortest path. Shortest path between initial and final points. Okay. Yesterday I given some problems to you. 4 problems. Did you finish? Yes or no? Did you finish? Finish yes or no? Yes or no? Give me response. Did you complete? Message me. Okay. Did you understand all? See here one question for this path, that is I think for this one I think you have the doubt about this one. This is the origin, not origin. For example, you started at A and reached at B. Maybe the figure may be like this. A, B, whatever it is. He started at point A, then finally reached B. Okay. See what is the radius of this quarter circle is R. So I given to you this problem. Find the distance. I think this is your doubt. Yes or no? Message me. Yes or no? This question only you have the doubt. I think this one only. Yes. Okay. Now this is the boy or a particle starts from A and reached B. Starts from A and reached B. He starts from A and reached B. So this is the quarter circle. I already told you this is the full circle. This is the origin. This will be radius. So total perimeter of this circle which has radius r, that is equal to 2 pi r, but I given only this part. So this is the 1 2 3 fourth, 1 by 4th of that means quarter circle. So you will get pi r. This is the pi r distance. The total length is 2 pi r. So we are taking only this one, that is equal to only pi r. That is equal to only pi r. Next, see, the particle starts from A and reached B. So we want to calculate displacement. How do we calculate? What is the definition of displacement? What is the definition of displacement? So definition is, this is the initial position, this is the final position. So we have the definition for this: shortest path between initial and final point. So this is the initial, this is the final. So you just run here to here. Okay, this is the actual path, this one. Actual path, this one. He traveled along this path only, he traveled, but we are calculating displacement. This is not actual path, this is the shortest path. This will be actual path, this will be shortest path. This will be shortest path. Now this is a right angle triangle, so I am removing the actual path. Now I have this one. This is the origin, this point A, this point B, this is the radius r, right angle triangle. So what is this one? Do you know Pythagoras law? Do you know Pythagoras law? So this is a right angle triangle. So this hypotenuse square, that means, otherwise you can call this one diagonal. Hypotenuse square equal to, this will be adjacent side whole square plus opposite side whole square. So this is the adjacent side r square, this will be the opposite square r square. So 2r square you got. So h square equal to 2r square. H is nothing but root 2r. Is it or not? Yes or no? Is it visible for you? I think you have some problem here. See, I am taking here h square equal to adjacent square plus opposite square. Adjacent square equal to r square plus r square, 1 square plus 1 square, 2r square, h square equal to under root of 2r square, that is equal to root 2r. Hypotenuse equal to root 2r. So this will be, this equal to root 2r distance. Is it okay? Did you understand first this one? If it is yes, message me yes. If it is no, message me no. Okay. What it means? Not visible. See, look here. Now See, this is a right angle triangle, adjacent side r, opposite side r, so this will be root 2r. Now it is okay. Okay. This will be root 2r. Okay. Okay. Now, so now is the this is the right angle triangle. Right angle triangle. This will be r. This already it is r. So this will become root 2r. So what is the displacement here? Root 2r. Distance is pi r. Displacement is root 2r. This is the right answer. Now it is okay. Yes. Yes or no? Message me. Yes. Okay. Right. So I think did you copy this one? You copy this one. Okay. See, simply I am removing all the things here. See, the particle starts from A and reached B. This is the actual path. Actual path we calculated by from total circle, that is given the path is only quarter of the circle, 1/4 of total, this that is equal to pi r. This is the distance traveled by the particle is equal to pi r. So I want to calculate displacement. Displacement is not actual path. Displacement is not actual path. This is the shortest path. The shortest path between A and B. So this is a right angle triangle. We can calculate this is r, of adjacent side is r, opposite side is r. So if it is this will become theta, then with the adjacent side this will become opposite side, r square plus r square. You will get r square plus 2r under root, you will get root 2r. So pi r root 2r is the distance, displacement of that, or distance and displacement of the particle traveled by here. Okay, now it is clear, I think. Now I am moving one more, speed. What is this? Speed. Is it visible? Are you following me? If you are following, message me yes. Now I am discussing about speed. Speed is nothing but total distance by total time. This is the formula. Total distance by total time. Total distance by total time. Okay. So speed is nothing but total distance by total time. So this will, what are the units for this one? Unit. So distance we can measure in meter or kilometer or centimeter, like that. So time we can measure second, kilo, here also second. Otherwise we can measure in hours also. So meter per second, kilometer per second, or hour, centimeter per second. This is the unit. Unit for the speed. Speed is unit of the speed is total distance by total. This is the formula. Unit is distance, unit is meter, time unit second, meter per second. kilometer per second or kilometer per hour, centimeter per second. Okay, now just copy this one. Okay, see, I am discussing now. Here I am discussing what about speed. Speed is nothing but total distance by total time. Units for this one, we can measure distance in meter, time we can measure in seconds, meter per second, kilometer per second or kilometer per hour, next centimeter per second. Now see, a particle, a body traveled, a body traveled 1 kilometer in 60 minutes. 1 kilometer in 60 minutes. Nowadays, a body travel 1 kilometer in 60 seconds. So just find speed of that body. Find speed of that body and tell me the answer. Come on, message me first. Are you getting? A body travel 1 kilometer in 60 minutes? Come on. What is the speed of that body? Already I given total distance by total time. This is the formula. The body travel distance 1 kilometer. In how much time it has taken? 60 minutes. So what is the answer? Come on, say, message me first. Do it fast. Simple. I am explaining that is speed. Speed is nothing but total distance by total time. The question is a body travel 1 kilometer in 60 minutes. So what is the speed of this body? Speed equal to total distance by total time, that is equal to, so what is the total? Is the body traveled 1 kilometer by total time taken 60 minutes. 60 minutes. So the answer is 1 by 60 kilometer per minute. 1 by 60 kilometer by minute. If we have to calculate, somebody given answer is 16. Okay, see, this is the unit. Here we got 1 kilometer per 60 minutes, so 1 by 60 kilometer per minute. So we can convert like this is also right answer. So if you want to calculate in hours, 60 minutes is nothing but, what is the value? 60 minutes nothing but, what is the value? Message me first. 60 minutes is equal to 1 hour or 2 hour? 1 hour or 2 hour? 60 minutes. 60 minutes is equal to, first message me, 1 hour or 2 hour in chat box. Come on. One hour. Okay. Now 60 minutes equal to, we can substitute 1 hour. So the speed is 1 kilometer by hour. Is there any problem? I think so. I think it is not visible, that not that much. 1 kilometer by 1 hour, that is equal to 1 kilometer by hour, 1 kilometer per hour. So the speed is 1 kilometer per hour. Now I am changing the question, just copy this one. I will give one more question to you. First copy it. Okay, I am changing the question. Second problem, a particle traveled 2 kilometer in 2 hours. 2 kilometers in 2 hours. So the question is, a particle traveled 2 kilometer in 2 hours. What is the speed of that body? What is the speed of the body? What is the speed of the particle? Okay, come on, do it. Tell me the answer. Here the question is, a particle traveled 2 kilometer in 2 hours. What is the speed of the particle? Do it fast. Speed equal to total distance by total time. Total distance by total time. See how much distance he traveled. The particle traveled. Message me fast answer. Balu, come on. Come on, do it the first answer. Who will give? I think two members joined. 2 or 3 members joined. Who will give the answer first? Message me in chat box. Simple question. A particle travels 2 kilometers in 2 hours. What is the speed of the particle? It's very simple, yeah. One kilometer per hour. Okay, good. Very nice. See how we are doing. See here, total distance is 2 kilometer. Total time will be 2 hours. So 2 1 ja 2, 1 by 1. You are getting 1 kilometer per hour. 1 kilometer per hour. So very nice. You are doing well. So I will give one more last question. One more last question. Third or fourth. A body traveled along a path of 3 kilometer length in 15 seconds. In 15 seconds, what is the speed of body? Who will do first? Come on, do it. This is a very simple question I given to you. Come on, start. Okay. Come on. So here the formula is for this one. Here speed, total distance by total time. What is the total distance? Message me fast. Fast message me. Total distance. Total distance. One more person is also there. You have to message in the chat box. Balu and other. Okay. Total distance here 3 kilometer. Total time will be 15 seconds. So 3 1 ja, 3 5 ja. Finally you will get 1 by 5 kilometer per second. 1 by 5 kilometer per second. Is it okay? Okay. Right. Now I will change the topic here. I think you understand well what is the speed. If you understand, you message me yes. Both of you. Come on. Then I will go to velocity. If you understand, message me yes. Okay? Right. Now we are moving one more concept, that is velocity. Velocity. What is velocity? What is velocity? Velocity is the displacement covered in 1 second. A particle displacement covered in 1 second, that is equal to velocity. Velocity is nothing but total displacement by total time. Velocity is equal to total displacement by total time. Just copy the formula. Velocity is equal to total displacement by total time. Total displacement by total time. So in last case we discussed speed formula, total distance by total time. Here total displacement by total time. Already you know what is distance and what is displacement. Distance is nothing but any particle or a body traveled path, that is actual path traveled by the body, that is distance. Here displacement is nothing but shortest path, not actual path, shortest path between initial and final positions. So in velocity we are defining by these two physical quantity, that is displacement and time. Here velocity is equal to total displacement by total time. Total displacement by total time. So for this unit displacement also we can measure meters, time measure we can seconds, or kilometer per hour, or kilometer per second. So displacement unit will be in meter or kilometer, centimeter. Time unit will be, time unit is always second, minute, hour, whatever it is. So this is a unit. So units are same for speed and velocity, but only definition is changed. Total displacement by total time. In last case, speed, total distance by total time. So here I am giving one problem to you. A particle traveled a particle traveled 3 meters in 3 seconds. In 3 seconds. So what is the velocity? What is the velocity of the particle? Come on, say fast. Simple, same formula. Your travel distance 3 meters in 3 seconds. So simple. So total displacement, how much travel here? 3 meter by 3 seconds. So 3 1 by 1 meter by second, that is equal to 1 meter per second. 1 meter per second. Is it okay? Same formula, same. Here we are taking only displacement. Here the displacement is 3 meter in 3 seconds. Okay, one more question we will see. Did you copy? Did you copy this one? If you copied, message me yes. First. Okay. We'll see second problem. Here a particle starts from A and reached B. So starts from A and reached B. Okay, then crossed B and finally reached C. A particle or a body starts from A, it reached B, then crossed B, then finally reached C. So here the distance, the length of this path up to B, that is AB, equal to 1 meter, B to C, that is equal to 2 meter. So the particle or a body, otherwise a car, starts from A, crossed B and finally reached C. In how much time it reached A to C? From A, starts from A and reached B and finally reached C. He has taken, otherwise a particle has taken 3 seconds. So find speed and velocity. See, my question is, look here, a particle starts from A, reached B and finally reached C, he crossed B. So that the path of this length, the path of length A to B is 1 meter, B to C is 2 meter. So the particle covered this total distance in 3 seconds. So my question is, find speed of that particle, find velocity of that particle. If you will do this one, you can, I think I understand, you understand. Now do it. First copy the problem, find speed and velocity. Come on. What happens? Speed is 1 meter per second. Okay, I am giving here A to C distance will be 1.8 meter. 1.8 meter. Then calculate speed and velocity. Speed and velocity. Speed and velocity. Now I will do this one. Given find speed and velocity. Here speed equal to total distance by total time. So total distance, the particle covered 1 meter and covered 2 meter to reach B. So 1 plus 2, 3 meter. How much time it has taken? 3 seconds. So 1 meter per second. 1 meter per second. This is the right answer. You respond. Now I want to find velocity. Want to find velocity. Velocity equal to total. Velocity equal to what? Velocity is equal to total displacement by total time. Displacement is nothing but the shortest path between initial and final positions. This is the initial, this is the final position. So how much distance? 1.8 meter. So total displacement equal to 1.8 meter by total time. How much time it has taken? 3 seconds. Now 1.8 by 3 meter per second. If you remove decimal point there, you put 0 in denominator. 3 6 3 1 3, 2 3 2 5 that is equal to 3 by 5 meter per second. 3 by 5 meter per second. This is velocity of that particle. See, speed is 1 meter per second. What about velocity? 3 by 5 meter per second. Is there change the value? Is there change value? How much value we got? Speed is 1 meter per second. How much we got velocity? 3 by 5 meter per second. Both are same? Message me, both are same or not? If both are same, message me yes. Otherwise no. Both are same. Here 3 by 5 meter per second. This is 1 meter per second. Both are same. Speed is 1 meter per second. Velocity is 3 by 5 meter per second. Are they both are same? Rendu same are? No, that is good. So we got speed is 1 meter per second, but velocity is 3 by 5 meter per second. Okay. So how did we calculate here? For speed, we are calculate total distance by total time. Here it is velocity total displacement by total time. So little bit change is there. So for distance, total traveled path you have to take. For displacement, only shortest path you have to take. So one more question I will give, just calculate fast. Okay, fourth one. A particle starts from A and finally reached B, crossed B. This is 2 meter, this will be 3 meter, then reached D, this will be 2 meter. So the particle starts from A, crossed B, reached B, then reached C, the finally reached D. Finally reached D. So total time taken equal to 2 plus 3, 5, 7, 14 seconds. Time taken 14 seconds means it starts from A. This is initial, this is the final position. The particle starts from A, crossed B and crossed C, finally reached D. The particle starts from A, that is initial point, and reached D, that is final point. Now how much time it has taken? The particle has taken only 14 seconds. So here the distance between these A and B distance, that is equal to 4 meter. Now I given all the values here. My question is, you just calculate speed and velocity. Now do it, start. Come on, do it. First draw the figure. Is it visible? Yes or no? Okay, if it is visible, you draw the figure A, B, C, D. Total time taken by the particle or the body, that is equal to 14 seconds. So my question is, what is the speed of that particle to reach A to D and velocity of that particle? Do it fast. Now message me what is the speed first. Maybe it is fraction. You give fraction answer, fraction only. Don't go for decimal. What is the answer? 1/2 meter per second. Okay, good. Distance. What about velocity? What about velocity? Good, good. Come on, do it, yeah, easy. This is IIT basics. I think you might have crossed in 6th, 9th class. Kinematics is there. 9th class physical science. What about velocity? Two by 7 meter per second. Very good, very good, very good. So I will explain now. Speed definition. Come on, say speed definition. Total distance by total time. Okay. Total distance by total time. Total distance equal to 2 meter, 2 meter plus 3 meter, then 2 meter. Don't take this one. This is also I mentioned here, but don't take this one. Why? Because the particle starts from A and reach to D. This is initial position, this is final. This much only he traveled. This is not, this is not A. The particle did not cover this distance. The particle starts from A, reach to B and reach to C, finally reach to D. This is initial and this is final. So don't take this one. By total time taken I given 14 seconds. So 2 plus 3 7 meter by 14 seconds. 1 by 2 meter by second. This is the answer. If you did get tick mark right. Okay. Next. Is there any confusion? I think no confusion is there. Total distance means total length of actual path. So it starts from A and reach to D. This is the actual path. Actual path. This is the actual path. So the path length is 2 plus 3 plus 2. 7. Okay. Next. Velocity. Here total displacement by total time. What is displacement? What is displacement? The shortest distance between initial and final positions. Simple. This is initial point, this is final point. Shortest path. Shortest path, and this is also path. Actually this is also one of the path, but which is the shortest here? This is the shortest distance. What is the shortest distance here? 4 meter. Just substitute here 4 meter. How much time taken? 14 seconds only. This is the total actual path. This is the displacement. So 2 2 jar 2 7 jar. You will get how much? 2 by 7 meter per second. 2 by 7 meter per second. This is the how do we calculate? How do we calculate velocity and displacement? Velocity and speed. So I will give some more information regarding to speed and velocity. I think, is it okay? If okay, message me all yes yes yes. Then I will discuss new topic. Okay. Next, write this point. Q star mark. Speed is scalar. Speed is scalar. Remember this one. Speed is scalar. SCALAR. That means it has only magnitude. It has only magnitude. అంటే magnitude is nothing but only number. అంటే దానికి ఏముంటుంది? ఓన్లీ నెంబర్ మాత్రమే ఉంటుంది. magnitude 2 kilometer, 3 kilometer, 2 meter per second, 3 meter per second, like that only it will have. Will have only magnitude. Then velocity velocity is vector quantity. Velocity is vector. Velocity is, you remember, speed is scalar, then velocity is vector. That means velocity has magnitude and direction. Here scalar, the speed has only magnitude. Speed has only magnitude, velocity has magnitude and direction. Magnitude and direction. Okay. Next. Did you copy this one? Did you copy it? Come on. I think yes. So simple, I am repeating. Any quantity is vector. If we can say any physical quantity vector, it should have magnitude and direction. If it is scalar, for example, I am saying one physical quantity is vector quantity, one physical quantity is scalar quantity. If it is, I am saying vector physical quantity, that has magnitude and direction. Magnitude ఉంటుంది, direction ఉంటుంది. Scalar ki only magnitude ఉంటుంది. Okay, so vector, the example for vector is velocity. For scalar, that is speed. So we can give here, up to now we discussed distance, displacement, speed, velocity. So for vector quantities we can write displacement vector quantity, velocity vector quantity. We discussed these two quantities in kinematics up to now. So what about scalar? We discussed, that is displacement, distance, not displacement, distance and speed. These are the examples for scalars. These are the examples for vectors. These are examples for scalars. Okay. See here, examples for vector: displacement, velocity. For scalars, distance, speed. Distance, speed. Okay. Now I am giving for you homework. Find speed, velocity. Okay, right, first figure. A, B, this is initial position, this is final position. It traveled like this. So actual path length equal to 5 meter. So this is the shortest path, that is equal to 2 meter. Total time equal to 5 seconds. Okay, find speed, velocity. Okay, right. This is a figure. See, I kept in bracket lo పెట్టాను. This is I for initial, F for final. అంటే ఇక్కడ స్టార్ట్ అయింది, ఇక్కడ ఏంటి, ఈ ట్రావెల్ ఇన్ దిస్ డైరెక్షన్. సో టోటల్ లెంత్ ఆఫ్ దిస్ పాత్ I given that is equal to 5 meter. Total time taken 5 seconds. Total time taken from here to here, ఇట్లా వెళ్ళడానికి total time taken is 5 seconds. So my question is, what is the speed, what is the velocity? Okay, second. The particle starts from A and reached B. This is initial, this will find it travel like this. Okay, this is the half circle, this is the origin, this is 1 meter, radius of 1 meter, 1 meter. Are you, I think, is it clear for you? A particle starts from A and reaches B. This is initial position, this is final position, this is the radius of that soft circle, that is equal to 1 meter. So the a particle like this moved, particle or a body like this moved and finally reached. Don't try this one, this is it's enough, you reach in this direction. Okay, so total time taken 5 seconds. Okay, find speed, velocity. Find speed and velocity. If you copy, I will give one more question. Okay, now third. This is A. A particle starts from A and finally reached A only. This is initial position, this is only final position. That means the particle or a body starts from A and travel, finally reach A only. Initial and final positions are same. Initial and final positions are same. So this is origin, the radius of this path is R. The radius of this path is R. So find speed and velocity. So here I am not given time taken. Time taken R seconds. Time taken R seconds. I am giving here not constant, I am giving R seconds. Okay, find what is the speed of that particle, what is the velocity of that particle. The particle traveled in circular path. So fourth question. A particle walked towards east 5 meter. Particle, take it as a man, no problem. A man walked towards east 5 meter. Towards east direction, east 5 meter. So north, west, east, south. North, west, south. You have to take like this direction. Towards east 5 meter and travel and walked towards north 4 meter. Find distance, find displacement, find distance and displacement. This is different question. This is different question. Okay. Okay. Fifth one. About right angle triangle. See, this is a right angle triangle. This will be the 90. Here will be the angle theta. So this we can say hypotenuse. Hypotenuse. This one adjacent side. This will be opposite side. So the theorem will be hypotenuse square, that is h square equal to adjacent square a s square plus opposite side square. This will be the theorem Pythagoras law. It should be right angle, compulsory right angle ayi undali. ఏదో ఒక ఏ దగ్గర బి దగ్గర సి దగ్గర wherever it is, in three angles, right angle triangle has three angles. It should has any one angle should be right angle, that is 90 degree. You take theta here, otherwise take theta here. Theta opposite. For example, if you stand here, you will see this direction. Your eyes will look this side, that is opposite side. This is adjacent to you. This is adjacent side. This slant or line will be hypotenuse. So this is Pythagorean law, that is equal to hypotenuse square equal to adjacent side square plus opposite side square. So tomorrow I will explain about these things because it will helpful in physics. Okay, thank you. Do these 4 problems. If you have any doubt, message me. If you copy, then if you understand well, you can message me yes, then you can leave. No problem, you can leave. If you understand well, the problems copy again first. Okay, bye bye.